CyberBrainer is an online training platform designed to help individuals and teams learn the latest technologies and become certified professionals, producing a comprehensive learning experience.
You have to give business to other vendors also, like who are from this veterans community, DDoS community, LGBTQ community, okay. People used to create this LGBTQ community. They didn't never used to give business to all this people. But now they said no, you have to give business like at least 25%, and that's a corporate compliance also. They're a proprietary port with the government also. How much business they gave in a year to this kind of, registered business who identify themselves as a gay, lesbian, trans, and as whatever it is, a black community, a veteran community. So you have to register yourself as that particular community business. And then I feel it's big giant of you are doing some business in US. You have to get the services, but from this company also. So that's what supplier classification means in simple words. So supplier classification, my country, let's say US, say, now we can again, you can create own supplier classification. So remind me to model that we have created a supplier classification, shipping terms, and shipping method. That will do tomorrow. So you have to give a black community use support. Now, this is a certificate number. So when you register yourself as a black community on business, then you have to get a certificate number from the government also. So that certificate number you have to mention here in this black community USA. I think it was not famous. Now we're getting requirements from the client that you look. Please create supply classification for us also. As we have. Still many companies don't follow that, but now it's getting more and more powerful and popular that you have to give business to this people also. Okay, do not reimburse content worker expensive portfolio. You're setting up a content worker as a supplier, goes to process a payment to someone. You need to set up the manager supplier right. So if this is a content worker, then you can say, do not reimburse content worker expensive, so we are not setting up a content worker here. Attachments, if you want to add attachments here in nodes, and we'll just say some which are good. Okay, set on mega colons. Something missed out. What's that? Let's see. Enter the same another. What we did not use USA, we use India or something. Okay, let's get dropped out of the address. Oh no. No, okay, so our supplier is created.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.